My name is Ategeka Legan. I'm 13 years old. I study from Gito Primary School. They have come here to learn how to make job. Me as a school child, I think in this activity they can get money for buying books, pens, and other things. If you want to make school job, these are the things you need to have in place. First, you need to have first water, a jug, a brush, lubricant, and a measuring cup. After opening the mold, you need to have lubricant. You put here on the mold on both sides. After applying the lubricant, you then again arrange the mold in a straight order. After arranging these molds, you need to arrange also the POP. Since one cup fills one mold here, therefore for us we have two molds. We are going to put 2 cups of POP and 2 cups of water. This mold is for 100 cavities. It produces 100 school chalks per 10 minutes. Now we are going to measure our POP. This is 1 cup. This is the second one. You need to measure also 2 cups of water since we have measured 2 cups of POP. That's 1. So, after pouring the mixture, you need to leave it for 8 to 10 minutes for it to solidify. Now, after pouring the mixture, you leave it for 8 to 10 minutes. After those minutes, you remove the chalk and it will be ready for drying. Then after that, you can clean the edges so that they can be smooth. Now our chalk is ready to be removed. When the sun is there, this chalk takes only 1 day to dry and it will be ready for use. Hence, I'm encouraging you to bring your learners to learn how to make commercial specialized dust-based school chalk production.